Angela was at one of my first writing retreats about 10, 11 years ago.
10, 11.
And she was nice to give us her opinion about her experience. Do you remember what you said?
Yes, I do. And in fact, I was going to stand up and just so you get another video to counterbalance that one. I want to say, first of all, thank all of you. And I saw struggling, and I saw some, getting everything out, working through the healing part. And that's what happened to me 10 years ago. I came in roaring, ready to write a book, I thought. And mostly what came out was a really, really kind of a scary, sad story. But getting it out, I got deathly ill. I had 104 temperature. I could barely stay in the room. And Tom's like, keep writing. And it really was hard. It was really hard. And I guess I'm going to say exactly what I said, because he had the videographer there. You're supposed to say your name, the name of your book, and that you finished, and what did it feel like, she said. And I mean, remember, I'm sick, and I'm like, it felt like I just took the biggest constipated brick shit in my life. And that's what I said. And it did. It really did feel like that to me. I felt like it was so hard to get out. And that I had to. And so I do thank Tom for sitting in the bathroom with me during that healing time. But I do want to say, now that he's got me up here, so I've been to a workshop 10 years ago, and the difference that the perfections that you've done, the tweaks that you've done, the holding people accountable, the 15 minutes, I don't remember if it was like that, but it's a pace that really keeps the words coming. It's the little break to keep going. That worked. Doing the healing work, the right to heal before you get here, that's key. I may have actually written a book if I had done that beforehand, right? The structure, the things that you've done to really shore up this workshop. We're lucky, we're very lucky to have him and his team in our life. And thank you. Thank you for being a stand for me, and thank you, Tom doesn't say hello to me. When I call him, he's like, you gotta write the book. I'm like, what? Oh, hey Tom, how you doing? No, you gotta write the book. So, Tom, I feel like we have a very special relationship that's been forged through moonshine, of all things. Man loves moonshine. Send him your moonshine. Thank you so much. Thank you.